If you have a 2019 Ford Escape with a 1.5-litre engine and have a P2796 code, or are experiencing issues like a harsh shift, transmission slipping, overheating, or harsh engagement, then we will show you how to fix this issue and show the tools needed to do so. First, you will need to locate the transmission auxiliary pump, also known as the start-stop. This will be located on the bottom driver side of the transmission, as the mechanic shows here. It is important to always check wiring and fuses before replacing any hard parts. On our pump, you can see where something has broken the pump's plug-in and left the wiring pins exposed. We will now show how to remove the pump from the transmission. First, push in the center locking tab on the plug and pull. Next, you will see 3 Torx 30 bolts holding the pump on. Remove them now. Upon removal, you will lose some fluid, so be sure to have a pan ready. Now, with the old part off and the new one sitting on the bench beside each other, it is good to inspect both parts to make sure they are the same. Be sure that both dowel pins came out with the old pump and the new one has them installed. Also, you will see a gasket with a filter on it stuck to either the transmission or pump. Replace with a new and be sure it is on the vehicle to keep from causing a leak. You are now ready to install your new part. Torque the bolts to 15 foot-pounds. And don't forget to plug in the pump. Push until you hear it click. We are now ready to clear the codes. If you do not have a scan tool to do so, disconnect the positive battery cable for 15 to 30 minutes. Also, if you remember, we lost some transmission fluid, so be sure to add and check what is needed back in the vehicle. We are now ready to test drive the vehicle. I hope this video helps you all. Please give us a like and subscribe.